Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have read in the property of triangle that sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Today, we will solve some problems on this property. Now we will see the exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4. First question is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Question first, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? With the following sides. The given sides are 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. First is the sides are given 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay? We have to tell that is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? क्या जो गिवन साइड्स हैं इनके द्वारा ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है कि नहीं, यानी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है कि नहीं. ओके, तो वी हैव रेड दैट सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन थर्ड साइड. इफ दिस कंडीशन फॉलोज देन इट इज पॉसिबल टू हैव ए ट्रायंगल विद द फॉलोइंग साइड. तब इन साइड से ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हो सकता है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी विल चेक अगर एक भी केस में ऐसा हुआ कि कोई भी दो साइड को का सम करने पर तीसरी से बड़ा नहीं आता है, इक्वल आता है या स्मॉलर आता है, देन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, नाउ वी विल फाइंड द सम ऑफ दीज टू साइड्स. 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. And third side is also 5 centimeter. What we find? We find that sum of these two sides is equal to the third side, not greater than the third side. क्या होना चाहिए कि कोई भी दो साइड का सम किया जाए तो वो तीसरी से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए, बड़ा होना चाहिए. ओके, बट हियर वी फाइंड दैट 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equal to the third side. Okay, is equal to third side 5 centimeter. Then we can say that the given sides are not the sides of a triangle. It is not possible to have a triangle with these given sides because sum of two sides is equal to the third side, not greater than the third side. Okay, so it is not possible to have a triangle with these sides. Okay, understood? इन एवरी केस जैसे आपने यहाँ पे देखा, इसको सम करें 3 + 5 8 होगा, ग्रेटर देन दिस थर्ड साइड. 2 plus 5 7 है, greater than this third side 3 centimeter. But in first case we see that sum of these two sides is not greater than the third side. Sum of these two sides 2 plus 3 5, it is equal to third side. Okay, so in every case the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side, then they can form a triangle, means construction of triangle is possible. Okay, now see the second part of this question. In second part we are given the sides 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and in second part we are given the sides are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now we will check if it is possible to have a triangle with these sides. So same way, first we find the sum of any two sides. Suppose we find the sum of 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We see that 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Sum of these two sides is 9. It is greater than the third side 7. Okay, 9 is greater than 9 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. Okay, now we will check the next condition. We will take these two sides, 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7 is 13, and this is third side 3 centimeter. 13 is greater than 3 centimeter. Okay, now third case we can take these two sides. We will find the sum of these two sides. 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, and this is greater than this third side. Sum of these two sides is 10 centimeter, and this is greater than this third side 6 centimeter. 10 centimeter is greater than 6 centimeter. We find that in all three cases sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, हमने देखा पहले हमने इन दोनों का सम किया, 3 plus 6 9 आया. 9 जो है वो थर्ड साइड 7 से ग्रेटर है. सेकेंड केस में हमने 6 7 और 6 और 7 का सम किया, 13 आया, वो थर्ड साइड 3 से ग्रेटर हो गया. ओके, थर्ड केस वी फाइंड द सम ऑफ 3 and 7 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter, and that is greater than this third side 6 centimeter. Okay, so in every case we find that sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, so it is possible to have a triangle with the following sides, means in given side से ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्शन पॉसिबल है. ठीक है, सो इट इज पॉसिबल to have a triangle with these sides, to have a triangle with these sides, okay, understood? Third case, third part is same type of question, you can do yourself. Okay, now we will see the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is, take any point in the interior of triangle PQR is OP plus OQ greater than PQ. We are given a triangle PQR. The question is, take any point in the interior of a triangle PQR. In the interior of a triangle PQR is there are three conditions. First is OP plus OQ greater than PQ. The figure is like this. There is a figure like this. The triangle PQR, and there is a point in the interior of this triangle, point O. इस ट्रायंगल के इंटीरियर में एक पॉइंट O है. This is the point O. We have to tell that is OP plus OQ greater than PQ. First condition is OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Okay? Now join this point O to the vertices of this triangle. If we join this point to the vertices of the triangle, now we have to tell is OP plus OQ. Here we have a triangle OPR and OP plus OQ greater than PQ. We know that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So we have to tell is OP plus OQ greater than PQ. तो देखिए आप OP and OQ are the two sides of this triangle OPR, and sum of these two sides OP and OQ, OP plus OQ greater than this third side PQ. So our answer will be S. Okay? Because sum of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay? Now, second part is OQ plus OR greater than QR? OQ plus OR, OQ plus OR greater than QR. Okay? OQ plus OR. Here we have triangle OQR and OQ plus OR. These are the sum of two sides of this triangle OQR. OQ plus OR greater than third side QR. Yes, it is possible. Understood? Now, third case is OR plus OP greater than RP. OR plus OP greater than RP. Okay? Here OR, OP and RP, these are the sides of this triangle OPR. So OR plus OP means sum of these two sides of this triangle OPR. OR plus OP is greater than RP. Okay? Yes. By the property that sum of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay? This way we can say that all these three conditions are true. Understood? Now we have the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is AM is a median of triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? There is a given triangle. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. ABC is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. There is a given figure of triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC and AM is median of this triangle ABC. AM is median, okay, of this triangle ABC. We have to prove that is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. Here we are given a triangle ABC in which AM is the median of the triangle. A triangle ABC in which AM is the median of the triangle. Median of the triangle. Okay? दिस थिंग वी आर गिवन. एक ट्रायंगल एबीसी आपको दिया गया है जिसमें एएम जो है उस ट्रायंगल की मीडियन है. आपको प्रूव क्या करना है? टू प्रूव यू हैव टू प्रूव ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए ग्रेटर देन 2am. ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए ग्रेटर देन 2am. Okay, now we will see the proof of this question. Now first we will take this triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, okay, we know that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So we can write AB plus BM greater than this third side AM. AB plus BM greater than AM. Okay, this is first relation. Now we will take this triangle AMC or ACM. In triangle ACM, we can write AC plus MC greater than third side AM. AC plus MC greater than third side AM. This is the second relation. Now, by adding these two relations, adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, AB plus BM plus AC plus MC, AB plus BM, इसमें लेफ्ट साइड में लेफ्ट साइड और ऐड करेंगे AB प्लस BM प्लस AC प्लस MC प्लस AC प्लस MC. नाउ ग्रेटर देन AM प्लस AM, AM प्लस AM. नाउ अरेंजिंग BM एंड MC, BM और MC को पास पास लिखते हैं. AB प्लस BM प्लस MC प्लस AC. Greater than AM plus AM is 2AM. Now here we see AB plus BM plus MC, BM plus MC, what we get? अगर BM में MC ऐड हो जाएगा तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? BC. Okay, तो we can write BM plus MC as BC plus AC greater than 2AM. Hence prove. ये आपको प्रूफ करना था कि AB plus BC plus CRAC both are same thing. Okay, AB plus BC plus CAC एक ही चीज है, तो AB plus BC plus CA you can write. Okay, hence prove. Understood? This way we can prove this question. Now we have the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than 2AM. Sorry. Greater than AC plus BD. greater than AC plus BD. We are given a quadrilateral ABCD. एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD हमें दिया गया है. ABCD in which AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Okay, we have to prove is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. Okay, now to prove this question, this is the given triangle ABCD, a quadrilateral. Okay, we have to prove this thing, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. We will see the proof. First, we will take this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can write AB plus BC greater than this third side AC. AB plus BC greater than AC. This is first relation. Okay? Now we will take this triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, we can write BC plus CD greater than third side BD. Okay? BC plus CD greater than BD. This is second relation. Now we will take this triangle CDA. In triangle CDA, triangle CDA में CD plus DA greater than third side AC. CD plus DA greater than third side AC. This is third relation. Now we will take this triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, we can write DA plus AB greater than this third side BD. DA plus AB greater than BD. We have four relations. Adding these four relations, adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get, इन चारों को ऐड करेंगे तो लेफ्ट साइड में लेफ्ट साइड ऐड होगा और राइट में राइट. AB प्लस BC AB प्लस BC प्लस BC प्लस CD BC प्लस CD प्लस CD प्लस DA प्लस CD प्लस DA प्लस DA प्लस AB DA प्लस AB ग्रेटर देन राइट हैंड साइड में AC प्लस BD प्लस AC प्लस BD AC प्लस BD प्लस AC प्लस BD. तो if we add AB plus AB, we will find 2AB and BC plus BC, you will get 2BC. CD plus CD, we will get 2CD, and DA plus DA, we will get 2DA. Okay? Greater than this side, AC plus AC, 2AC, BD plus BD, 2BD, we will get 2AC plus 2BD. Taking 2S common, इसमें से 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे, you will find AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. 2 कॉमन हो जाएगा तो AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. ग्रेटर देन, यहां भी 2 कॉमन है, AC plus BD. Okay, dividing by 2, both sides we will 2 cancel. From both sides we find that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD, which we have to prove. जो हमें प्रूव करना था वो मिल गया ना आपको. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD, greater than AC plus BD. Okay, hence prove. Okay students, we will solve the remaining questions. In the next lecture we will discuss about the right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Thank you very much.